Organic chemistry tips. I want to show you how to easily identify these four guys: carboxylic acids, aldehydes, ketones, and esters. And when you look at the four of them together, you realize that this is going to be a piece of cake. Now, the first thing you need to know is that the four of them, they have something in common, which is a carbonyl group. What is a carbonyl group? This is a carbon that is bonded with oxygen, but there's a double bond between oxygen and this carbon. And since we know that we can have 4 bonds around carbon, that implies that the double bond already takes 2 out of the 4. We only have 2 left. So you can see what the carbonyl group looks like. Then what happens with this carbon, with the other 2 bonds that is available, is what makes the difference among these 4. So for the first guy and the last guy, the carboxylic acid and the esters, they have something in common. So what happens is that this carbon, with the 2 bonds that are left with it, one of these bonds will be bonded with carbon, another carbon atom, and one of them will be bonded with another oxygen. So take note of that. So for the carboxylic acid and the esters, there is going to be a bonding. The 2 bonds that are left, one is going to be for a carbon and the other is going to be for oxygen. Now, whatever is now attached to this oxygen is what makes you either carboxylic acid or an ester. If an hydrogen is attached with the oxygen such that it forms an hydroxyl group, then what you have is a carboxylic acid. But if what you have is another carbon such that maybe an alkyl group or something else, but the extension is from another carbon, then what you have there is an ester. So I'll give you examples in the comment section, which you can check out. Now, when you look at the 2 in between as well, the aldehyde and the ketones, they follow similar approach as well. So, but the only thing is that these ones, the carbon that has 2 bonds left, one of them will be bonded to a carbon, and the other is not bonded to another oxygen. So no more additional oxygen for aldehydes and ketone. So, but this time around, is that this extra bond that is left, the last one, is with an hydrogen, which in that case, that will be an aldehyde. But this extra bond, that is the last one, the 4th one that is left, if it is with another carbon, such that this carbon forms an alkyl group or any carbon extension, then this time around, that is a ketone. And that is how you can easily identify the 4 of them. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and follow. I'll see you in the next one.